this video, I'll teach you how you can use ChatGPT to generate all types of post captions and post ideas for your Instagram profile using prompt templates from Keywords Everywhere. So let's get started. Okay, so if you post a lot on Instagram, you know how long it takes for you to think of post captions and also brainstorm new post ideas. But you can speed up the process by using ChatGPT. Now, Keywords Everywhere generated a prompt templates feature that you can use inside ChatGPT to generate all types of post captions and also come up with post ideas. So to get access to those prompts, you need to go to keywordseverywhere.com, and this is a browser add-on that you can install for Chrome and for Firefox. So the first step is for you to install Keywords Everywhere, and the next step is for you to log into your OpenAI account. Now with the Keywords Everywhere extension installed and turned on, you'll notice two new things in your ChatGPT dashboard. The first thing is this templates button on the left-hand side, and the second thing is this continue button on the top right-hand corner. So to get access to the Instagram prompts, all you need to do is click on this templates button, and this will open up the Keywords Everywhere's ChatGPT prompt templates widget. We then need to click on this category dropdown and click on social media. And for subcategory, we're going to click on Instagram. And these are all the templates for Instagram. We first are going to click on generate Instagram carousel. Now this template can be used to create a complete carousel for Instagram with captions, okay? So you'll notice that this widget will expand for us to add additional information. So we can choose from all of these different languages. I'm going to click on English. And we can choose from all of these different voice tones. So for this Instagram carousel, I'm going to click on creative, and we can also choose from different writing styles. So for this example, I want the writing style to be informative. And now we need to add the topic for our Instagram carousel. For this example, I'm just going to put down matcha green tea. Okay, and this is the prompt template. Now all the information that we selected up here will automatically update this template. You could see here it says you have a creative tone of voice, you have an informative writing style, and it says create an Instagram carousel on matcha green tea. Now you actually can edit the text in this prompt template if you wish, but this has been created and tested to provide really good Instagram carousels for us. So I'm not going to touch this template. I'm just going to click on execute template. Now ChatGPT will generate the Instagram carousel for us. Okay, so within a few seconds, it is done. So it generated 8 slides for us. And as I scroll up, you can see for slide 1, the first image, the topic is around what is matcha green tea? And you can see the content example is provided for you right here. So you can use this as maybe the post caption, or you could use this as some inspiration in terms of what type of image or maybe video to create for this slide. And then this is slide number 2, health benefits of matcha green tea. And you can see the content example right here. So you could use this as an idea to create an image or video for slide number 2. And this is slide 3 and so on. All right, and then at the very end, ChatGPT gave us a description. So it says, looking for a healthy and delicious way to boost your day, try matcha green tea. Not only is it packed with antioxidants and health benefits, but it can also be used in a variety of recipes from lattes to ice cream, and it continues. So it provides you with the hashtags already, and it also included a couple of emojis as well. So you could basically copy this description and use it for your Instagram post. Okay, so let's go to the next Instagram prompt. We are going to click on the templates button on the left-hand side, and we're going to click on generate Instagram caption. Okay, so you could use this one to create an Instagram description and or caption. You can choose from all of these different languages. I'm going to click on English, and you can choose from, again, these different voice tones and also different writing styles. And we just need to add the topic. So for the topic, I'm going to put down matcha green tea health benefits. Okay, so that's the topic for this Instagram post. And this is the prompt template. Now I'm going to click on execute template. Okay, here we go. So this is the Instagram description that we can basically copy and paste for our post around the health benefits of matcha green tea. It says, looking for a healthy and delicious way to boost your day, try matcha green tea, packed with antioxidants, caffeine, and it continues. It also provides us with all of these different hashtags and again, a couple of emojis. And you'll notice it's pretty similar to the first description that it generated for us. So I want to touch on this continue button on the top right hand corner. So if you hover over this continue button, Keywords Everywhere provides us with all of these different buttons that we can click to tell ChatGPT to do additional things after it generated a response. Okay, so we can tell ChatGPT to continue the response. We can tell it to clarify it, exemplify it, expand, explain, rewrite, shorten it, or even tweetify it. So let's just say, for example, we think this description is a little bit too short and we want ChatGPT to expand on it. So what I'm going to click on is expand. Now ChatGPT will expand on that description. Okay, so here we go. It says, let me expand on the health benefits of matcha green tea. And then it starts with saying, matcha green tea is made from finely ground green tea leaves that are grown in the shade, and it continues. So if you want a longer post description, you can add this text as well. So this is clearly a lot more descriptive, and this is perfect for your visitors who maybe want to read a little bit more and learn more about the benefits of matcha green tea. So this is a perfect piece of text that you can copy and paste for your Instagram post. Now let's go to the next Instagram template. So we are going to click on Instagram Post Calendar. Now this is my favorite Instagram template because it will generate tons of different Instagram post ideas that we can use to plan out our Instagram posting and content strategy. Okay, so we can choose from, again, different languages, different voice tones, and also different writing styles. And for topic, I'm gonna put down matcha green tea. And now we need to tell it how many articles per week or how many posts per week. So let's just say we want to do 2 posts per week and for how many months. So how many months would you like to generate the content calendar for? So let's just say we want it for 2 months out, okay? And this is the prompt template. And I'm gonna click on execute template. Okay, so here we go. This is a 2-month Instagram post calendar based on my interests in matcha green tea. Okay, so we have all the different post ideas for month number 1, and then we also have all the different post ideas for month number 2. Okay, and it's organized in a nice table, as you could see here. So the first column shows you the date, and of course you can always tweak the information in this table according to what your needs are. So this is the date column. You can see the post idea description, matcha green tea smoothie recipe, benefits of drinking matcha green tea, and so on. And then this one is the caption column. So this is the caption that you can copy and paste for this post. And of course, the last column is the hashtag column, okay? So you can see all of these very relevant hashtags for these posts. And then the same goes for month number 2 as well. So within just a few seconds, we have an entire Instagram post strategy for 2 whole months. So this just makes your content planning and brainstorming for your Instagram profile so much more easy than before. You can use these ideas as is, or you could use these as a kickoff point to brainstorm even deeper and more fleshed out ideas on your own. Okay, so those are the Instagram prompt templates that I wanted to show you today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to check out our other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.